Something in my gut tell me say Michelle blood upon your hand. You know about her death. But not me sugar hand. Are you? Y'all never paid me out to be the bad guy, don't it? I had nothing to do with Michelle's death, Carlton. Now you don't have to believe me either. Trust me. It doesn't matter. You don't owe you no explanation at all, Papa. The full responsibility of Tiffany now falls on my shoulder. And you know, I think I'm ready. And I think I like it. That is just the two of us. Want you? No. I think we say what? No. Look here, Marcus. Going forward, we're either going to do this together or I'm going to take up my responsibility. Because clearly, you're not stable. Your responsibility at this stage and age, you never have a clue how to raise Tiffany. Brother, you're going to shop baby. This is not my first time being a father, you know. You only have experience with the title, you know. But you have never really been a father. Yeah, because somebody robbed me of the opportunity. I'll take that as a no then. Okay. I don't care what you want to say, Marcus. The fact is, I am here now. And I'm not there to fight with you. You see this back and forth between me and you? Like we're husband and wife, it will stop. I'm here to tell you, say, just stay away from Tiffany. Over my dead body. That can be arranged. Tell you something, Marcus. Tiffany, I never saw you there, sweetheart. You okay?
Daddy, this has to stop.
What are you talking about, hon?
This between you and Uncle Carlton.
Oh, no, Tiffy, we were just talking.
I heard everything. I can't manage anything else like this. This is how you and Mom used to argue all the time.
I won't allow that to happen. Any at all, Tiffany. Okay? Daddy's here. Yes, Tiffany, I'm here. Ooh.